Hello, this is AJ with Bad Credit to GreatCredit.com, providing you with another credit tip for your enhanced and powered credit score. Today we're going to talk about UltraScore, how it can power up your credit score. So let's look at some of the facts. Most consumers, 50%, rate their credit knowledge of credit report as fair or poor. In fact, I remember when I first pulled my credit report and I looked at those different columns and different, information on the credit report, I had like no idea what it really meant. So I had to go and talk to people, I had to pick up the phone and call, and then of course, read on the internet and read a lot of books to understand what exactly that meant and what I need to do. Before I started this business of credit repair and helping, clients improve their scores and have a healthier, credit scores, and at the same time, you know, save money by, having low interest rates or zero interest rates on their, credits, and then of course, saving a lot of money in turn. And also, if the another fact is that many Americans lack the essential knowledge, just like I was talking to you, about the credit reports and the scores, right? So what can be done? This is where the UltraScore comes into picture. So the UltraScore provides the tools necessary to help you understand the credit scoring system and how it impacts your financial health and your financial freedom. Okay, so it's going to talk to you about what it is inside of your score that is impacting the score that you have today and how you can establish a better credit score by doing certain things. And we're going to give you an overview of how you can utilize the UltraScore tool to get the score that you want and then have the lower interest rates and then save a lot of money and put that money in your banks and for your travel, for your vacation, for your college fund, for your kids fund, whatever you want to do, just because you were able to use this tool to help you that. So UltraScore offers you a comprehensive analysis of the positive and negative items that are impacting your credit score. Okay, so it's going to give you a personalized action plan to improve your credit file for your immediate. So let's say there are certain things that you need to do right now to improve the score, and then of course it's going to give you a long-term planning on how you can keep and maintain that score. It's going to give you a customized recommendation to build and maintain good credit, like I was talking to you in the previous. So what it is going to do is it's going to give you a personalized credit analysis. So it's going to tell you what your current FICO score is and how you compare with the rest of the Americans based on your score and based on your profile and your credit report. And it is also going to give you how do you stack up with the mortgage lenders when they're going to give you a loan. Okay, it's going to also give you based on your credit score, how it is impacting your loan. So it may say that based on your situation, it's going to give you 2% higher interest rate, or it may ask you to put 20% down payment than if you had a good credit score and a good credit report. Okay, so at the same time, it is also going to give you the necessary education to get your score higher. Okay, so UltraScore is going to break down the 5 key components of your credit score, how your buying and bill paying habits are affecting your score, how long your credit history is affecting your score and what you need to do to improve that, the amount of debt you owe versus the available credit. So for instance, if you have $1,000 credit card and if you owe more than $300, it's going to start impacting negatively. Okay, so it'll give you all the tools and tips, but at the same time, if you have more than one card or two cards, depending on how much you have used, we are going to calculate what you need to do, because it doesn't matter one card. You have to look at the whole picture on your credit report to really calculate your scores. Okay, and to have a good score. Then it's also going to talk to you how much new credit you're applying for and how it is going to affect you. And then it's going to give you recommendation on past due accounts. Now let me tell you here that a lot of people think by paying off your past due accounts it's going to improve your score. No, There are situations where if you pay your past due accounts, it's actually going to have a negative impact on your credit. So beware. That is why this is very important for you to know how to right way improve your credit. Okay, so when we talk about your buying and bill paying habits, it's going to give you an analysis, okay, and it's going to tell you, in fact, 35% of your score is calculated based on your payment history. Okay, so it's going to break down what your current credits are, step by step, each line by line item, and then it's going to give you its recommendations, what you need to do to improve that score or improve that credit item. Okay, and also UltraScore is going to help you understand your credit file, understand how your credit score is calculated, effectively manage your finances. It's going to help you with that as well. It's going to help you understand the negative impact of low credit scores. Okay, I need to put a C here, scores, and it'll help you see how your credit score affects interest rates on your credit cards and mortgages. It will help you project when you can buy a new home or refinance on your existing interest rates. It will help you prepare and maintain a monthly budget, and it will develop an action plan to reduce the debt that you owe, and many, many other things. So how will you benefit with all these provisions that UltraScore is going to provide you? Let's look at this. A credit score is the most important number in your financial life as well as the most influential one, right? So the higher your credit score, the more financial opportunities you will have. A credit score which is good and high will bring you better rates on mortgages, on refinances. It'll even provide you with credit cards with no or low credit interest rates, lower interest on your credit loans, car loans, better rates on your insurance. I'm sure many people did not know that their credit score has a direct impact on the car insurance. Okay, so it'll help you with that, and then it'll tell you what are the positive results, how it's going to impact with your job screening. If you have a higher score, a lot of employers are going to give you a benefit, of hiring compared to a person with the same aspects of, technology, technical skills, and everything else. But if they have a lower credit score, you will have a chance of getting that job better. So with the enrollment, what will you get? You will learn more important, you will learn about the hottest topic in the credit industry by gaining access to our extensive library of credit education. It'll help you in protecting your identity. As you know, identity fraud is increasing every day. If you are in a situation where you might have to file bankruptcy, so it'll give you guidelines how to prepare yourself, and once you have filed bankruptcy, what you need to do to improve your score. And again, like I was talking to you about identity theft, most of the identity theft is right now happening online. Okay, so it'll teach you how to make sure when you're doing any transaction online, how to protect yourself, what kind of information you want to share, which websites to go to, and what to look for when you're on a particular website to make sure that your information is protected. Okay, and then many other information is going to be helped sharing with you. So here is an example of how you will get the wealth of knowledge from our back office. Okay, once you enroll, you'll learn about how to maintain good credit. You will learn about credit building tips. You will learn how your score is calculated, protecting yourself online like I talked to you, identity theft protection, bankruptcy information, wage garnishments, okay, under what circumstances maybe your wages can be garnished. Okay, as you know, if you are behind on payments, the lenders, the creditors have the right to garnish your wages. Okay, so you want to be prepared if you are in that situation, what you need to do to protect yourself. Then what are your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act to protect yourself? Okay, and then all other information that will help you have a better life and have a better credit score. Also, you will gain access to our user-friendly online resource center, which will give you tools on how to calculate your mortgage, college funds, insurance, etc. We will provide you with downloadable worksheets to calculate your budget, record your budget on a daily basis, and how to prepare yourself for special events and holidays. For instance, if you're planning on a vacation or you have a birthday coming up next month, how to prepare and plan for those so that it doesn't impact you financially. And a lot of other fun worksheets and calculators to help you live a better life. So these are the different sample calculators that we have. One is the mortgage payment calculator, mortgage refinance calculator, mortgage payoff. So if you want to pay off your mortgage quickly, how can you do that? It'll tell you here. If you are not right now owning a home and you plan on buying a home, it'll tell you based on your situation, based on your goals, based on your objectives, whether it is good to buy or rent, and if it is right time or not, or you need to wait. So it'll tell you everything. Okay, and then again, budgeting, cash flow calculator, budgeting percent calculator, brown bag calculator. All these different tools and calculators are available for you to use and have a better score and better life. So these are the testimonials, how people who have used UltraScore and how it has helped them. So here it is, one from Patricia from Texas. I have found UltraScore to be an excellent product. It has provided me with valuable information that will help me take the necessary steps to get my credit score back on track. I will definitely recommend it to my clients. Let's take another look at this. One is from the Vice President of Quicken Loans. He says, I am writing to express sincere gratitude to UltraScore. You have helped my client's house dream become a reality. We are consistently putting good people on the right track and providing correct long-term plans. You have provided step-by-step instructions regarding new credit and eliminating countless errors. People simply don't have the time to get this done without help. This month alone, we are doing 3 refinance loans and a purchase that would not have happened without your company. Congratulations for doing business the right way for the right reasons. Okay, so what is UltraScore and who we are? We offer you several years of combined experience developing personalized solutions for clients adversely affected by low credit scores. UltraScore has set the industry standards as a cutting-edge company offering outstanding customer service at a superb price with unparalleled performance and customer dedication. By providing a comprehensive analysis of each credit file, UltraScore enables our clients to understand their credit file, effectively manage their credit, and understand the negative impacts of a low credit score and how it affects the decision-making process used by the lenders. UltraScore offers a wide variety of expertise and credit education services to help clients determine the steps they need to take to improve their credit. So what you need to do to get started or get enrolled is you can call 801-448-2426 and agents will be there to help you with that, or you can send an email at info@financialeducationservices.biz, or you can go to our website http www.badcredit2greatcredit.com. Well, again, this is AJ with Bad Credit to greatcredit.com. Look forward to our other trips, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email, and we will be there to help you. Have a fabulous day. Bye bye.